Hi guys, this is an instructional video to show you guys how to use the student grade sheet that's posted in the course. Before I move on with this video, I wanted to point out that this spreadsheet is only a template. So the assignments that you guys see here will probably not be the same assignments that you guys have for your specific course. But when you guys go into your course and download your specific grade sheet, you guys are going to see the class name, your class name up here, and then the assignments in this column should correspond with the assignments that you guys have in your class and in the syllabus. But for right now, for the purposes of this video, this is only a template, so I'm using kind of a sample class. So I wanted to explain this this chart right here. So in this column you have all of your assignments. In this column you have the max points for each assignment. And then you guys are going to enter in this column the points that you actually got in Blackboard Learn for each of the assignments. And so let me go ahead and show you guys. So say I did the course orientation quiz and say I got a 10. I did the coffee shop discussion board, I got a 10. Say I did Module 1 discussion board, I got a 9. And then I did my Module 1 assignment, and I got a 9 as well. So you guys will see right down here, the spreadsheet is going to start to total up the number of points that you've earned in the course so far. Then what you can do is you can go down to this section right here, and you can see, okay, how many more points do I need to make a specific letter grade? So right now in the course, I've completed the orientation stuff and I've completed Module 1. So I need 82 more points to make a D minus, 90 more points to make a D, 96 more to make a D plus, and so on. And then I would need 150 more points to make an A. And so the spreadsheet really makes a lot more sense when you guys get down to the end of the semester. So let's go ahead, say Module 2 discussion board, I got a 10. Module 3, I got a 10. Module 4, I got a 9. Say Module 2 assignment, and I'm just making these grades up, a 9. Say I got a 10. Say I got a 9 in my fourth one. And then say in the midterm, I don't know, say I got a 40. So the only thing that I have left to do is my final exam. And so this is when the spreadsheet really comes into play, because you guys can kind of play with your final exam grade and figure out how many points you need on your final exam to make a specific letter grade. So the spreadsheet has calculated in the course right now, without the final, I have 135 points. So if we go down here, I don't need any more points to make a D minus, so I have that, I have a D, and I have a D plus. So right now, without the final, I have a D plus in the course. And so you guys might even decide, I don't know if that's sufficient with you, that you may not even take the final. But if you want to go ahead and get a better grade, then you can kind of play with this and you can see, okay, I need at least 5 points to make a C minus. And you know, if you got a 40 on your midterm, it's probably likely that you'll get around that same grade for your final. So you can look up here and you can say, okay, what if I have a 40? What if I got a 40 on my final? That means I definitely have a B plus in the class, and I would only need 5 more points to get an A minus. And so that might cause you to study a little bit harder. And say you do get that 45. Well, now you have 0 points to get an A minus, so you have an A minus, and you would need 8 more points to get an A. And so that shows you that there's really no way that you could get an A in the course, but you can get an A minus if you study really hard and you make at least a 45 on your final. So you guys can play with that, the spreadsheet. You might only want to get a B in the course or a B minus. In that instance, all you need is a 25 on your final, and you would have at least a B minus in the course. So that's how the spreadsheet works. You guys will go in here, enter all your grades, and you guys can kind of play with your future grades and figure out what you need to make on those grades to make a specific letter grade in the course. Alright guys, if you have any questions about how the spreadsheet works, then please let me know. Thanks.